Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Welcome to an IEVS home school. This is Mr. Robiul Islam, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal University School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for class Nursery. And my dear students, our today's topic is memorizing part, and today we will learn Kalima-A-Tayyeba. Okay, my dear students, Alhamdulillah, today our lecture number 2. And my dear students, today we will learn Kalima-A-Tayyeba. My dear students, all of you will say with me. So my dear students, let's start. And first, look at the board. Kalima-A-Tayyeba. Now my dear students, everybody say with me. Kalima-A-Tayyeba. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. Okay, my dear students, I am repeating again. All of you say with me again. Kalima-A-Tayyeba. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. My dear students, here is written English pronunciation. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. My dear students, Alhamdulillah, we have learned Kalima-A-Tayyeba. And I would like to inform you one thing, that when you will say Kalima, after finishing Kalima, you will say Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Like that, Kalima-A-Tayyeba, La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Because when you will hear the name of our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, when we hear the name of our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, then we should say Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Then in this regard, you have to say after finishing Kalima Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So my dear students, let's one more we read Kalima. Kalima-A-Tayyeba. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Alhamdulillah, my dear students, today we have read Kalima-A-Tayyeba. I hope that you can say you have already memorized Kalima-A-Tayyeba. So my dear students, you will practice at your home Kalima-A-Tayyeba again and again, and you must learn Kalima-A-Tayyeba. My dear students, today our lecture number 2, and here is written my mobile number. If you face any problem, then you will contact with me. Okay, my dear students, no more today. Inshallah, see you again very soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.